going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video, and today I got my car part in that I was talking about yesterday. That's going to be going on the intake manifold, and so here is the package. So we're going to unbox this thing, we're going to go over the specs of it a little bit, and then we're just going to take like a little cinematic video of it because I'm pretty sure it's going to be pretty beautiful. Alright, let's just unbox this real quick. Alright, now that we got the box out of the other box, I bought a Ktuned fuel rail and braided line. So let's check this out. Okay, so there's the braided line. It comes with all the fittings. That's great. And now we come to what else we got in here. So we got another fitting. So that. Got some more fittings, some wrenches to screw everything on, blah blah blah. Now of course, we can't forget our stickers. They add about 5 to 10 horsepower, so we have about 20 horsepower here. Cannot forget about those. And now, this is what everyone's waiting for, the fuel rail. So I got a brushed silver center feed fuel rail. So the center feed is going to be tucked lines. So it's going to be very nice. Hold on, let me see if I can get this out. Alright, let's see this thing. Woo! She's really nice. Look at that. Brushed silver. Wow, that's beautiful. That's gonna look so nice. I cannot wait. So yeah, I have the center feed. So basically, this line right here is going to be coming out from under here, and it's going to tuck beneath the air intake manifold. You'll never really see that line, so it's going to look really nice and clean. So let's go over the specs of this real quick. Alright, so here we have the Ktuned fuel rail for the EP3 or RSX. Comes with a braided fuel line, and it comes with all the fittings, which is great, which is amazing, which is what you want, because you don't want to be doing a job and then halfway through you need to go to the car parts store and then they don't have the fitting or it's back ordered. They gave you everything, so that's good. Right off the bat, you have everything. You have the braided fuel lines, all the fittings. They even give you a wrench to work with. I mean, you're not gonna, I don't see myself using that because that's probably gonna be a pain in the ass. But they give you extra fittings, some plugs, and another 8AN fitting over there. So that's really good. So what is so special about this? It is made out of a billet aluminum, so it's made out of some CNC machine 6061 billet aluminum. So it is pretty good. It is pretty sturdy. This isn't going to bend and break. It's not going to do any of that. This is some sturdy material. You can hear it's made out of some really good material, so that's good. It has as I just said, an 8AN fitting inlet and outlet, and they give you all the fittings, so you don't need to worry about those fittings at all. This is actually able to support 1,000 plus horsepower, so if you need a fuel rail that's going to get you through any kind of build, here you go. This is going to get you through your NA builds, your boosted builds, anything. And the good thing about this is it actually can also still work with your stock injectors or your aftermarket injectors, whatever one you are going with. So that's always good. Yeah, so other than that, guys, there's just really not much to it. It's just a fuel rail. Got some nice fittings. Oh yeah, this is a center feed. So the center feed is gonna go, obviously it's gonna feed through the center, but it's gonna be tucked. These lines are gonna be tucked. You're never gonna see them. It's gonna look a lot better. It's gonna get tucked right under the intake manifold. So that's gonna look a lot better. And yeah, so I cannot wait to put these on. Like I said, you get a lot of things. You get the fuel rail, the braided lines, stickers, all the material you need, and 8AN fittings, whatever you need, and the stickers that add about 10 horsepower each. Can't forget about these. Always need these on deck. So that's going to do it for today, guys. I just wanted to show you that I got the fuel rail in. It's looking beautiful. It's going to look great on the car. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell, because you're not going to want to miss this install along with the air intake manifold install. This is all going to be coming soon. I have my car going in the shop Tuesday for the exhaust, which is right over here. I have everything going in the shop because of the rusted bolts on the headers. So yeah, Tuesday everything will be fixed, and then we're going to get started that weekend with Ryan from Boosted Boys. I wish he was with Boosted Boys. Now, Woodlands Crew, PA. I'll leave the description down below. But yeah, we're going to be installing this and the air intake manifold with him, so you're not going to want to miss that. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell, because you're not going to want to miss it. Alright guys, take it easy.